Let's install this short hairstyle together. So this short hairstyle is one hairstyle that won't stress you, and you don't have to do much after this hairstyle is done. So first of all, you're going to apply your bond, your installation bond. But please, if you're using this kind of bond, let it dry after applying it. Either you're going to use your hand dryer to dry it, or you leave it to air dry. Ensure that it is no longer white before you place your hair on top of it, your net, of course, the net part of it on top of it. Then after which you let it dry, then you use your band to hold on to it for some time before you start trimming out. Please don't start trimming immediately, let it to dry. So you're trimming out that excess net there. So you're using your styling moves to create this wave so that it will hold together and it will stay as you've used your comb to style it. So this part is actually where you have to take your time. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry to do this. For a firmer hold, please wrap it for some time until when you think it is well dry, then you can take off the wrap. And yeah, so this is beautiful short hairstyle. It's almost a get up and go hairstyle. So guys, what do you think about it? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and subscribe so that whenever I make a new post, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you.